Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Crypto Boy YouTube channel. Once again, I'm here with a useful video where I will show you how you can transfer USDT from Binance to Margex account. So let's get started. Before moving on, if you are new to this channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while we upload a new video, because every day we are uploading video about crypto mining, crypto trading and all updates about cryptocurrency. However, after this we will upload about NFT marketplace, how you can buy and how you can create your own NFT. So never hesitate to like our video, type your ID in a comment section and share this video with all your friends. As I told you, in this video I will show you how you can transfer USDT coin from Binance to Margex account. No matter whether USDT, Bitcoins, XRP, Litecoin, Ethereum, you can follow my video in order to complete the process. So in this video I will show you step by step how you can transfer or how you can send USDT from your Binance account to Margex account. Margex is an excellent choice for a cryptocurrency derivatives trading platform with great leverage, especially for traders that are privacy oriented, prefer low fees and an offer of tried and true trading pairs, along with their referral program, high security standards and a very intuitive UI. Both newcomers and veterans in the derivatives trading spheres are likely to find their forever home here. So Margex is one of the future trading exchange newly launched by this is Germany exchange. You can just do future trading. Even you can invite your friend with your referral link. If you just invite anyone with your referral program, referral link, so you will just get 40% of commission. As I told you, Margex is the best exchange in the future trading if you want to do future trading. So what I think, this is best rather than Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, OKX or any other cryptocurrency exchange, because Margex will not liquidate you like Binance or any other exchange. If you don't want to be liquidated, so I recommend you to use Margex exchange, because this is the best exchange with low transaction fees. If you don't have account on Margex, so I will give the link in description. Make sure to click the link and create your own account to Margex. No need of KYC verification, only you just need to verify your email address. So once you create Margex account, then what you need to do, how you can receive USDT from your Binance to Margex account. Make sure at first to create Margex account using the link that I give you in description, and then this is the home page of Margex. Simply click on wallet. Once you come here, click on deposit, then click here in this drop down menu. Now in here you will find all the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer from your other exchange to your Margex account, or you want to receive the cryptocurrency. So first of all, we have only the option of USDT ERC20. The transaction network was just about ERC20, but finally Margex just added USDT with TRC20. As you know that if we send USDT with TRC20 network transaction, so the fees is only $1. If we just send USDT using ERC20, so the transaction fees is too much. So thanks to Margex exchange that finally they just list USDT with TRC network. So simply click on USDT Tron TRC20. Now this is the address. Yes, this is your deposit address or USDT address. Simply copy this address, click on copy. Now go to your Binance account. If you don't have Binance account, so simply click on the link in description, create your Binance account and then just deposit USDT from your debit card or any from P2P. So once you come here, once you log into your Binance account, simply click on wallet and then go to Fiat and Spot. On Fiat and Spot, simply find USDT. Here you can directly search here USDT. Once you find it, now click on withdraw option. Simply click on withdraw option. So I have 99 USDT or 100 USDT, so I'm just going to transfer 100 USDT from my Binance to Margex account. and then simply paste the address here. Right click, paste. Now select the network, TRC, this one, TRC. Okay, then scroll down. Here I have my USDT is about 99.29 USDT, so I will click on maximum. So the minimum is 10 USDT, so I will click on maximum. Now everything, just check everything. Yeah, click on withdraw option. Now check all the details, your address. Make sure to not just check your address, because if your address is wrong, so your USDT will go to a wrong wallet address. Then click continue. Now just do this security verification. So once you complete the security verification, then click on submit button and then awaiting approval. Your withdrawal request is being reviewed and will take approximately 12 hours. You can view the status of your withdrawal request in the withdrawal history page. So simply click on complete. Now we will wait and we will check on Margex account whether we have received our USDT or no. So finally we received our withdrawal. Here you can see 98.29 USDT. So finally we just get our withdrawal on our Margex account. So like this, you can transfer USDT or any other cryptocurrency from your Binance account to your Margex account. As I told you, Margex is one of the best exchange for future trading. It will not liquidate you, it will not wash your account. So I hope you understand everything. I hope you understand this video. If you have any question or if you have any problem, feel free to ask me in the comment section. And if you understand this video, make sure to click on the like button. Type your idea in the comment section and tell me what you think about this exchange. What do you think? Should we start on it or no? Just tell me, will you make account on Margex exchange? Will you start future trading on Margex exchange rather than Binance account? So tell me everything in the comment section. Still did not subscribe to our channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to get notification while we upload a new video. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.